Please take care of your mics.
Hi.
Now, Joy, you want to copy paste or what? Okay, Rajani Raza, please read the heading. You only read
This
it.
code is recorded. Exercise 1B. How many ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakh are there in the number 80 lakh? 8 lakh.
8 lakh, yes. This is the 8 lakh. Now, yesterday I have given you example of 1000 rupees that if you have 10 notes of 100 rupee, then also total will be 1000. Like if you have 10 notes of 100 rupee. And suppose if you have 100 notes of 10 rupee. 10 वाली 100 नोट हो और 100 वाली 10 नोट हो, then also what will be the total?
1000.
हाँ, 1000, yes. So the same way here we are talking about 8 lakh. Okay, if one, that also how many times? 8 lakh time means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That way, how many times? 8 lakh times 1.
One time.
What will be the total?
Eight time. 8.
What? One, nahi,
ये
see,
10 बार करो तो हो जाएगा दूसरा.
times 1 means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That how many times you have to write? It is
8.
written how many times?
8.
How many times?
8. 8.
8 lakh times. 8 lakh times.
60 लाख
You,
बिगड़.
so when you will add, no, you will get 8 lakh only. Understood? Like just now I've given the example of 1000 that way. Then next is if you have 10 rupee note. This is of 1 rupee coin. मतलब एक एक रुपए एक एक जो रुपए का कॉइन होता है. If you have 1000 then what will be the total? 1000.
1000.
हाँ, अगर 500 सिक्के हैं 1 रुपए के तो 500 रुपए. If you have 10,000 coins of 1 rupee then 10,000, because 1 rupee को 1 plus करोगे तो फिर 2 3 4 that way only.
Yes.
Then this is of 10, this is of 100. So consider that 1 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, 100 rupee note like that. And then you will get the same total.
मैम ये लिखने का.
Now you have to understand just. So yesterday I have given example that whenever your father also count money or something, no, at that time you can also observe and you can also count and help them. So your calculation will be good. Whenever you will count no money and that, so your calculation will be good. So copy this. This is the answer of that. That the same way. This one, huh? This one is the answer.
मैम कैसे ये ना हो जाएगा 2 मिनट 2 मिनट.
Only this one, huh? This one is not the answer.
मैम क्वेश्चन क्या है? क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Question is
मैम
upside.
क्वेश्चन क्या है?
What?
क्वेश्चन क्या है?
I'm showing you.
मैम ये हटाओ तो करा.
Wait, wait. Sabar. Now I have zoomed this. I think so. Now this much is clear only. This is question one
मैम
and this
सिर्फ
is
आंसर
answer.
ही लिखने का है.
क्या लिखने का है? This
आंसर
one
ही
is
लिखने
question
का है.
and this downside is answer.
मैम ये क्वेश्चन है क्या आंसर है?
Upside is question, downside is answer. This is question. This is answer. Okay. Just now,
मैम इसे लिखना है.
हाँ,
फेयर बुक के रफ।
मैम क्वेश्चन कौन सा है?
मैम फेयर बुक में के रफ बुक में
क्वेश्चन ये है।
राइट इन फेयर बुक।
मैम क्वेश्चन कौन सा है?
this one. I have written Q, that is question. This one is question. And after you will copy this, you will understand more. Okay, how you will get the same total. Because here they are talking about ones, means suppose the 1 rupee coin. Like if you have a 1 rupee coin, but how many? 8 lakh. So what will be the total? 8 lakh. Obviously, if you have 1 rupee coin, that many. Then tens means that suppose if you have 10 rupee notes, then if you will have suppose 10 rupee note, but how many? 80,000.
मैम हो गया
Add that, so you will get same 8 lakh. So it
हो
is
गया
the
हो गया पूरा हो गया।
okay.
क्वेश्चन पहले से लिखा हुआ था।
Other students, how many minutes you want?
मैम नहीं मिनट।
मैम आई एम 100 प्लीज।
मैम मैंने कल बोला था ना, मैं रुकना मत, चले जाओ चलो।
ठीक है विचार करो।
मैम
Say what now?
मैम go and second question, these are not right। मैम आंसर लिख रहा हूँ।
Okay. And even if you will observe, you can see here. These are the places ones, tens, thousand, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. And hope everyone has learned also name of the
मैम
places.
my work is done। Yes मैम।
Because yesterday there were so many students who have not learned name of the places, which was very
हो
bad.
गया। मैम my work is done।
And yesterday those who have not learned, they have learned name of the places or not. There were some students who have not learned name of the places. So hope you have learned name of the places. Okay, now shall I change? Or shall I
नो मैम मैं तो
go?
कुछ
मैम
लिख रहा
मेरे
हूँ।
दो
Who are
मैम
saying that
5
they are
मिनट दे
still
दो कर
learning?
दूंगा।
But
मैम
say
आप पेज बदल
मैम मैं
डालो ना,
क्वेश्चन लिख
बाद
रहा
में
हूँ।
मैं कहूँगा तब भी रुकना पड़ेगा। मैम
last 1 minute
मैम
they
मैं
are changing.
आंसर लिख।
Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute.
ओके
So until they are writing, I'm just
ओके
revising.
मैम my work
That
is
yesterday I have explained the question. That in the question the name of
मैम
the
my work
places
is
are
finished।
ones, tens, 100,000. You can see these are the name of the places. So these are the name of the places which are given in the question, and they are asking about number 8 lakh. Means how many ones you will collect, so you will get 8 lakh. And how many tens you will collect, so you will get 8 lakh. It's like money only. That's why I've given example of money that you will understand it easily. So one,
ओके
10, 100,000, 10,000 and like. So obviously you will remove 1 from 0. So you will get at last 8 lakh.
मैम फिनिश। मैम फिनिश।
Okay. So I'm changing now.
ओके
That was question one. Now this is question two. So Rajani Rezali, give me one name for reading the heading.
ओके मैम। अनस। ये मालूम नहीं है।
Anas, read the heading.
मैम मेरा अभी बाकी था।
Who
फिगर विथ कॉमर्स फिगर।
who said that? Who said that? Timai was left.
गाजी सारानी।
मैम राइट Ma'am, write in figures
Gazi,
with
now
commas.
afterward you can write from PDF. Afterward you can write from PDF because I have given already so much time. I think so. Maybe 10 minutes I have
Hello,
given.
ma'am.
Yes, Anas,
मैम
can
रीड करो। मैम ये मैंने कल ही ट्यूशन में कर डाला था।
Okay.
Write in figures with commas.
Write in figures. So we have already done write in words. Number was given and we have written in words. So now we will do one question. So Reza, give me next name for reading the first question.
Nurul Abbas.
Okay, Nurul, read the first question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, second. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. Your voice is breaking.
Don't speak together, whoever is speaking.
I'm not speaking. Yes, ma'am. તમારો અવાજ થાય છે.
So who is this? Who?
Ma'am, which one do I want to read?
Uh,
मैम क्या रीड करना है?
Nurul, you can read
बट क्या?
this one.
4,37,900 बाद में नहीं दिख रहा. 19, sorry. Lakh 19. Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Next name Rajani Reza.
मैम 19 तक ही बोला हूँ मैं. आगे है कुछ.
But I don't know why you
हाँ,
can't.
sorry, 1000. मेरी स्क्रीन बड़ी हो गई थी. ठीक वो वाला 80,39,023.
And it is not 80, it's 8. 8 lakh 39,023.
बोला सब सही बोला मैम.
हाँ,
मुझे लगा ये सिर्फ यही दिख रहा था. मेरी स्क्रीन बहुत बड़ी हो गई थी.
okay.
20,09,005.
हाँ. So here in first question, here first place is Lex place. Do you remember no name of the places, everyone?
No. Yes, I was doing it. Once, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Crore.
So here you can see crores place is not given in the question. Only lakh that word is there and thousand that word is there in the question. That's why I have highlighted that words. Which
Yes.
words I have underlined? Lakh and thousand. That word. So we will draw that lines only. Now I'm starting from here. Once. Then which is next?
Tens.
10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh.
Thousand.
हाँ.
10,000.
10,000. Lakh.
10,000 lakh.
Here we
10
will
lakh.
okay, now mute the mic. Now we will not need 10 lakhs place. Why? Because 8
Ma'am,
lakhs
ma'am,
is written. So now where should I write 8?
ma'am,
Now where should I write 8?
ma'am,
In the question 8 lakh is written. 8
ma'am.
lakh. Huh?
मैंने क्वेश्चन लिखा ना उसमें आंसर लिखने की जगह नहीं है तो दूसरे पेज पे आंसर लिख सकता हूँ.
हाँ, no problem.
मैम 8,000 वो सब लिखना है.
Where is 8,000?
8 lakh, sorry.
8 lakh. So you have to tell me that 8 where I will write. In which place?
Lakh.
हाँ.
Lakh.
8 lakhs
And
place what?
1,000 लिखना है.
Then here 39,000. So
So
where
one
shall
sentence.
39?
1,000.
One sentence.
39 का लिखो? 39,000 है.
39. 10. 39,000. 10,000.
10,000, 30 and then here 9. So 39,000. Then where should I write 23? Where should I write 23?
10.
Which places?
23.
Tens.
Yes.
10.
And 1. Then here 100 word is not there. So at 100's place, what we will put?
Zero.
Zero. Zero. Zero, ma'am.
So this is answer of first question. Okay, so copy the question number one. Means heading. Give the heading. Then
Number
first question.
one.
Then answer one.
Actually, GHT 8 lakh.
And those who have finished, they can try next one. In next one, you can see 20 lakh is given. What? But very slow. So after finishing, just inform me so that we can start B, C, and D. And those who want to try B, C, D, they can try by themselves.
हो गया.
Okay.
Then my work is finished.
Other students, you have written question heading, then question one, then answer A.
Yes, sir, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm not waiting for anybody, so I'm rubbing. Shall I rub or shall I wait?
रब मैं क्वेश्चन लिख रहा हूँ सब. रब.
Any student, shall I wait for anybody?
मैं रब. Jonah. रब.
So this was question A. Then now we will do B, C, and D. That one. So now again, someone will tell me the name of the places. Now next name Reza. Rajani Reza.
Gogda Rohan.
Okay, Gogda Rohan, do you want? Do you want to read next question, Gogda Rohan?
Yes, ma'am.
Read. Oh, left also. Next name Rajani Reza.
Rohan.
Yes, ma'am. 20 lakh 905.
Okay. So now for two, we will first write name of the places and that. So here 20 lakh means we will need till 10 lakh. Yes, what?
Lakh.
Yes, Rohan, tell me once.
आंसर कौन आने वाला?
10,
Yes.
100,
100.
1000, 10,000,
10,000 lakh.
10 lakh,
Lakh. 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
Okay. यहाँ पे हमें okay now mute the mics everyone. Now here we will not crores place मतलब करोड़ की जो place है वो नहीं चाहिए because in the question crore word is not there. But in last question you can see कि crore word is there. So in last question we will need that place. मतलब जो question में जो word दिखा हो crore word हो तो वो place. Lake place हो तो सिर्फ वही place. Understood how many places we will need?
Yes, ma'am. मैम इसमें अभी हमें lakh और 100 ही चाहिए.
हाँ. So in this question you can see 20 lakh. So that 20 we will write it places.
Lakh. 10 lakh.
So that 20 you will write here. Then next is 900. So 9, where should I write? Yes, at hundreds place. Then 5, where should I write 5?
Tens.
Tens ki place? Are you sure?
Yes,
Five,
ma'am.
five. One की place one की place पे.
5. Yes, exact.
बाकी सब जगह zero.
Very good.
Zero, ma'am, zero.
Very good. So you all are right. That 5 is one digit number, so we will put at ones
Ma'am, my
place.
answer is right. मैंने पहले से लिख डाला था. मेरा my answer is right.
Wow. So you can try C and D. Let's see whose answer will be right. You can try C and D. Try C and D.
I
Then
have
we-
done CD.
So this is answer. Those who have not done, please copy this. And other student, please try C and D. After finishing this, you can tell me so that we will solve C and D. Then you can match your answer. And how many of you are trying C and D means, or you are going to?
try कर लिया और लिख भी डाला.
My work is finished.
A, B,
C, D.
Wow. Mute your mic and just copy this and try also C and D. And this is also very easy. That in C 35,000 means from thousands place you start, not lakhs place. And in who has written the answer? In but who has written the answer?
मोहम्मद रजा बेलगाड़ी.
No problem. No problem. Now, no, see, now this last instruction that no one will write answer in chat box. Because if you will write,
मुझे भी इंतजार नहीं हो रहा. मेरा आंसर सही है या गलत.
wait, and other students please fast because now I can't give you so much time.
कर दिया ऐसा ही समझ.
Now last 1 minute, then we will start C and D.
मैं काउंटडाउन दे रहा हूँ. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0.
And other students, those who are trying, please be.
मैम बदल दो यार. काउंटडाउन भी 10, 9, 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So in this C also we need which are ones, tens, then 100 also we will need, then 1,000.
10,000.
But only that many we will need in question C.
10,000.
We will not need.
Yes, ma'am.
So here 35,000. So where we will write 35? In answer.
10,000, please.
Yes. 3 here and 5 here. Then 800.
100, please. 100, please.
Yes. And 35.
And ones and tens, please.
So 3 we will tens place.
Ones, please. Ones, please, and 0. Ones. Yes.
How many? What should I write here?
Ones.
It is 57. So 57 means this. So where should I write 57?
मैम 10 की जगह पे 5 लिखो और 1 की जगह पे 7 लिखो.
Yes, good. Who said that answer?
I said, ma'am, I said.
No, it was
I answered that.
मैम सैयदा रजनी.
So he is
बोल
right.
इससे पहले तो वो बग गया.
So he is right here. Before 1035 is written, so at 1000 place we have written 35. Then here before 100, 8 is written, so 8 we have written at hundreds place. Now 57, so 5 we have to write at tens place, and 7 we will write at ones place. So whose answer is right?
My answer is right, yeah, ma'am. Right, ma'am.
Answer is right.
Ma'am, answer is right. Answer is right.
Good. Now shall I wait or shall we start
10,
answering?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. मैम बदल दो.
बदल दो ना.
Now we will see you this word is there, crore, so we will need that place also. So we will even write that place also.
Lakh
What's
also,
this? 100,
100,
1,000
10,000,
also.
1000, 10,000,
10,000, lakh, 10
lakh,
lakh, 10 lakh,
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 10
10
lakh,
lakh, crore.
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 Crore, crore. पैसा के सामने.
Okay, so here 4 crore is there. So where we will write 4?
Answer.
See,
Not place.
crore place. Crore place.
Lakh.
Then here 37 lakh.
7 lakh. Lakh place.
Place.
Yes. 3 at 10 lakhs place and 7 at lakhs place. Then next is 19,000.
19,000. So 10,000 place for 1 or
10,000.
1,000 की place for 9. 10,000.
10,000.
And then other
1,000.
0 0. बाकी जब 0.
0.
मैम 0 0 0. बोला था ना आपको कौन सा सही है. मैम हमारा
good, very good. If your answer is right, very good. Other student match your answer. And how will we mark? One more thing is left, comma. How you will put comma? Who knows? Comma कैसे रखते हैं? कहाँ पे रखते हैं?
मैम 4 के बाजू में, 3 के बाजू में, 7 के बाजू में, 1 के बाजू में, 9 के बाजू में, मैम 43 के बाजू में कोमा.
First after 3 digit, then after 2 digit, then again 2 digit, that way. First after 3 digit from right, then 2 digit, 2 digit, 2
मैम
digit.
बहुत मजा आया. ये मत में मत.
गेम जैसा लग रहा है.
Now it's 10 1. Now this one when I was solving, we were solving rich courses
So easy.
if you remember.
मैम so easy मैम.
Okay.
मैम
You remember these symbols?
लेफ्ट वाला देखना है.
I have shown you crocodile, mouth of crocodile. That is
मैम जहाँ पे बड़ा होता है ना वहाँ पे हमको क्रोकोडाइल का मुंह खोलना है.
exactly. Yes. When these big number, suppose it's greater number.
मैम दोनों सेम होते हैं तो इक्वल लगाने का.
Yes. If both are same, then equals to. Suppose on right side, if any greater number is there, then that less than you will put means this one. If this side, left side greater number is, then you will put this symbol. So I think so everybody knows this symbol, right? You know, no, this symbol.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Other students, other students know this symbol.
मैम मुझे भी याद है.
So if you already know this symbol, so directly we will start.
मैम 2 मिनट रुको मैं क्वेश्चन लिख लेता हूँ. नहीं है मेरा ये तो लिखा भी गया है. रुको मैम.
So here it is written that compare using less than, greater than, or equal. These are the symbol. Don't forget this symbol, less than, greater than, and equals to. Now one by one we will start one question. So how we will compare?
थोड़ा दूर रखो ना, मेरा क्वेश्चन लिखा है नंबर 2 का, बी का.
No, I want to explain. Then I will give the time. At the time you can write.
No,
I'm explaining only. So how we will compare? Okay, which one is greater? So first we will see this. Okay, 5 5. So same. Then next is 8 and here 7.
87 and
So which one is
78.
greater? Left
Eight.
side number or right
87,
side?
587.
Left side.
587.
मैम राइट साइड वाला बड़ा है.
587 मैम राइट साइड वाला.
7.
हाँ 5 like
तो
87.
क्रोकोडाइल का मुंह उस साइड जाएगा, एक ही साइड. मैम नंबर बी.
So try B, C, D by yourself. Then we will see that whose answers are right.
मैम इसमें जो बड़ा साइड वाला है.
But when you compare, just to see carefully. Carefully compare.
मैम इसमें जो छोटा होता है उसको वो आंसर होता है.
Hey, from whose mic this cat voice is coming? Sit at some peaceful place.
Nurse, मैम nurse.
Unless mute your mic, otherwise I'm removing you. Unless mute your mic, otherwise I'm removing you from here.
रहना तो बेचारे.
Unless mute your mic. Okay, now who was asking me something about these symbols?
मैम
Asking
इसमें
me.
इसमें
Yes.
जो छोटा होता है वो आंसर होता है ना.
मतलब जो बड़ा होता है ना उसके साइड ऐसे मुंह ऐसा खुला होना चाहिए. अगर ये साइड नंबर बड़ा है यहाँ पे तो ये वाला सिंबल. अगर यहाँ पे बड़ा नंबर है तो ये साइड वाला नंबर. ओके, लाइक सपोज इफ आई से 300 एंड यहाँ पे 200. सो विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर, 300 और 200?
300.
हाँ, so this symbol. Okay, but suppose if I say के 1300 or 2200, so which one is greater? 1300. So this one symbol. Okay, that
मैम बी आंसर वाज बी साइड.
hey,
answer was
don't say answer. Don't say answer.
What answer I am learning. D answer was जिस साइड D नहीं है वो.
अरे I said के don't say the answer. First
हमने
let
पक्का कर रहा था यही आंसर है ना. गलत हुआ तो पेन से लिखा हुआ है.
that is your mistake. You should not directly write with the pen. First write with the pencil if you are not
नो
confident.
मैम, हम आपके साथ लिखेंगे. हमको पता है कहाँ पे कहाँ है. बाद में देख लेंगे, लिख लेंगे जो आपने लिखा है वो. गलत हुआ तो बोल देंगे गलत है.
Yes.
वर्कशीट नहीं थी ब्रिज कोर्स की.
Yes.
वो छेले वो क्वेश्चन लाइन था वो उसमें हम लोग पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करें तो चलेगा ना मैम?
हाँ हाँ. It's okay. That was rectangle only. Perimeter and
कौन
area.
सा?
यस मैम मैंने वो पेंसिल से किया इसलिए
हाँ,
चलेगा ना मैम?
हाँ
वो
you.
बीच में आंसर पेंसिल से लिखे तो चलेगा ना.
हाँ but every
Yes,
time
sir,
whenever you
sir.
rule on
आंसर
first.
वो ब्लैक और ब्लू से लिखा है मैम. वो क्वेश्चन ब्लैक से लिखा और आंसर ब्लू से लिखा मैम.
हाँ
वो
okay.
ड्रॉ करने का था ना मैम वो पेंसिल से लिखा.
Okay, Ben Imruhan, now listen to me. Whenever in maths you have to draw anything, draw with pencil. Question you can write with black pen. Answer you can write with blue pen. So who have finished this so that we can start solving
Everybody
this?
be correct.
आता सब नेम ने
Ma'am, everybody finished it.
Other students,
Yes, ma'am.
you have finished everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday I saw all of you. I
Yes,
saw
ma'am.
means I want to ask to Farhan. I saw Farhan, then I saw Virani Ghazi, then I saw Charani Amendi. When I was going near from that Prabhudas Sadav. I saw you at 5:30 or 5:45. There only. What you were doing? All of you. Yesterday. Veerani Mohammad Abbas was there.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
मैम बहुत मजा आया था यार मैम ये ऑनलाइन क्लास में ज्यादा मजा आता है जब ये मैथ्स का लेक्चर होता है तो ज्यादा और ज्यादा सब लोग मस्ती करते हैं आपके
नो मैम
कौन
मैं क्या करता हूँ
स्कूल आना गमता है, ऑनलाइन क्लास नहीं गमता।
हाँ
स्कूल में मजा आता है। हमें को भी
आपको परेशान कर सकते हैं ऑनलाइन नहीं कर सकते ऑफलाइन क्लास
मैम मुझे भी स्कूल में ही मजा आता है।
ऑफलाइन में कर सकते हैं
it's your choice
ऑफलाइन
that
में मस्ती नहीं कर सकते ऑनलाइन में कर सकते हैं
but in online even it will be recorded, no? So we will get proof also. Teachers get proof, no? Parents.
स्कूल खुलना तो मजा
ऊपर से गयो।
Hey, who is that?
मामा बाउंसर लिखाओ ना
It is not necessary that I will show. If you will not break some rule and some discipline, then obviously I will not complain. But you are maintaining the fair book also, so that is good. Even that also I have told to ma'am. Okay, you are completing the fair book.
मैम जल्दी से लिखाओ ना आंसर
Other students now
लिख डाला होगा कितनी देर लगेगी लिखने में
मैम आप
we are not waiting.
मैम आपको फोटो सेंड किया मैथ्स के साथ।
So now we are starting.
फास्ट लिखाओ टाइम खत्म होने आ रहा है जल्दी 5 मिनट ही है
You can see clearly that which side number is greater. Left side number is greater or right?
बाद में पहले आंसर
Which side number is greater? Left side or right side?
लेफ्ट साइड।
लेफ्ट साइड
लेफ्ट साइड
Then this one, see. Here you can see 8
मैम
like
इसमें कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं इक्वल मैम राइट साइड
इक्वल नॉट इक्वल
मैम राइट साइड मैम राइट साइड
राइट साइड
मैम सेम है।
and here also this much is not
इक्वल
मैम इक्वल नहीं है, मैम राइट साइड। हाँ
all the digits. Next time please carefully see all the
इक्वल है ही नहीं साला
यहाँ पे इक्वल ही नहीं है यार, क्या करें?
now
क्या कौन सा
आपका लेक्चर खत्म हुआ
and Anas now next
लेक्चर खत्म
move you.
पैसा हज़म
Adhani Rizani, you also started. Mute your mic. And Nurul, just now I said no that we get the proof. It's recording.
Yes.
So next, I'm not going to win, but you said no that online class we can do this all mischief and all.
No, don't say no.
But maybe you are not seeing that it's recorded. You can't see the recording.